Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you're thinking about diving into the world of coding? Or maybe you're already a coding ninja looking to level up your skills? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're breaking down the top programming languages that are absolutely crushing it in 2024. Whether you're into building slick websites, crunching massive data sets, or maybe even creating the next viral game, we've got you covered. So, grab your favorite energy drink, fire up your IDE, and let's jump right into it. First up, we've got Python. If programming languages were tools, Python would be that trusty Swiss Army knife you always find yourself reaching for. It's known for its versatility and beginner-friendly syntax, making it the perfect starting point for coding newbies. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is a powerhouse used by industry giants like Google and Netflix. It can handle everything from web development with frameworks like Django to data analysis with libraries like Pandas. And let's not forget automation. Imagine automating those repetitive tasks that eat away at your day. So if you're looking for a language that's both powerful and approachable, Python is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we're talking JavaScript, the undisputed king of web development. If you want to build interactive, dynamic websites that feel as smooth as a 120 Hz refresh rate, JavaScript is your go-to weapon of choice. Think about all the cool interactive elements you see on websites these days. Animations, real-time updates, even those annoying cookie pop-ups. That's all JavaScript working its magic behind the scenes. With Node.js, it can handle back-end tasks like a champ, making it a true full-stack language. That means you can build an entire web application from the user interface to the server-side logic, all with JavaScript. So if you're even remotely interested in web development, JavaScript is a must-have in your programming arsenal. Now let's talk Java, a language that's as reliable and robust as a server farm running at peak performance. Java has been a dominant force in the programming world for decades, and for good reason. It's known for its stability, scalability, and write once, run anywhere philosophy. Think of Java as the foundation of countless enterprise applications, powering everything from financial systems to large-scale e-commerce platforms. It's also the language behind Android app development, which means learning Java opens doors to creating apps for billions of Android devices worldwide. While Java might have a slightly steeper learning curve compared to Python, its power and versatility make it a worthwhile investment. Next up is C#, a powerful and versatile language that's particularly popular in the world of game development. If you've ever dreamt of creating immersive, visually stunning games, C#, paired with the Unity game engine, is an incredible combination to bring those dreams to life. C# is often the driving force behind those experiences, allowing developers to create complex game logic, control physics systems, and bring characters and environments to life. But C#'s capabilities extend far beyond the realm of gaming. It's also a favorite for building Windows desktop applications and enterprise-level software. So, whether you're building the next Fortnite or developing software for a large corporation, C# offers a robust set of tools and a supportive community to help you achieve your goals. Last but not least, we have Go, a language that's quickly gaining traction for its speed, efficiency, and ability to handle the demands of modern cloud computing. If you're looking for a language that's built for performance and can handle massive amounts of data, Go is definitely worth a closer look. It excels at concurrency, allowing developers to write code that can execute multiple tasks simultaneously, making it ideal for building high-performance applications that can scale to handle huge numbers of users. Go is also gaining popularity for developing server-side applications and microservices, the building blocks of many modern web applications. While Go might be a bit more niche compared to some of the other languages on this list, its growing popularity and focus on performance make it a valuable skill to have. And there you have it, the top programming languages to learn in 2024. From web development to game design, data science to cloud computing, these languages offer a world of possibilities for anyone willing to put in the time and effort to master them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.